Problem number 1. Find the Laplace transform of e power 3t minus 2 into e power minus 2t plus sin 2t plus cos 3t plus sin h 3t minus 2 cos h 4t plus 9. L, this is flower bracket I am using here. These are both are flower brackets. L flower bracket means you have to understand Laplace transform of this function, that this is the total big function. This function containing exponential function, sine function, cos function, hyperbolic functions and constant is also available. Then how to apply Laplace transform for all these functions? Answer: Laplace transform of e power 3t, separate it. Laplace transform of first function is e power 3t. Here also I am writing e power 3t. Minus 2 is constant. Then you write minus 2 outside. Then the remaining thing in multiplication you write the constant outside. Now minus 2 into Laplace transform of e power minus 2t plus Laplace transform of sin 2t plus Laplace transform of cos 3t, Laplace transform of sin h 3t minus 2 into Laplace transform of cos h 4t plus 9 into Laplace transform of 1. 9 is available, I am writing outside Laplace transform, the remaining is Laplace transform of 1. Then using that basic, already I gave you 27 formulas. In that, now observe this one, Laplace transform of e power 3t means e power at formula, that is 1 by s minus a, that is 1 by s minus 3. Then minus 2 is outside, minus 2 I am writing here. Laplace transform of e power minus 2t according to that formula, e power minus at formula, s plus 2. Laplace transform of sin 2t is then sin at, I gave you the formula, a by s square plus a square means 2 by, in place of a we have 2 here, 2 by s square plus 2 square plus Laplace transform of cos 3t, that is nothing but s by s square plus 3 square with respect to cos 3t formula. Sin h 3t again 3 by s square minus 3 square, h at formula, a by s square minus a square formula. Now minus 2 into Laplace transform of cos h 4t means s by s square minus 4 square. Now cos h at formula is s by s square minus a square formula. That's why I am writing here, in place of a 4 is there, s by s square minus 4 square. Now Laplace transform of 1 is nothing but 1 by s. Now just I am writing, I am calculation part I am doing here, 1 by s minus 3 minus 2 by s plus 2, 2 by s square plus 4, s by s square plus 9, 3 by s square minus 9 minus 2s by s square minus 16 plus 9 by s. So many functions are available, that's why you should not consider the LCM. These are the individual terms. This is the first problem, right? Like this we can solve the problem. Nothing is there, just you see the formula and apply it. See the formula and apply it. Then automatically we get the answer. That's it. Everywhere. Now in the same way, the next first shifting theorem, second shifting theorem is also available. For that also I prepared some table. According to that table we can solve the problem. While solving the problem, then you can see the answer. Just you have to keep it with your this formula. Now second problem. Laplace transform of t square plus 1 whole square. Now observe this one, this is purely in terms of t, we are getting in terms of s. In previous question also they have given the question in terms of t, I got the answer in terms of s. Here also the question in terms of t, then if you are applying Laplace transform for that t function in terms of t, then definitely we will get the answer in terms of s. This is the Laplace transform concept actually. Now a plus b whole square formula, I am expanding that one in inner part. Laplace transform of this L means Laplace transform. T square whole square is t power 4, 2ab 2t square plus 1. Now close the bracket. Now apply this Laplace transform for individual term. Laplace transform of t power 4. This is multiplication function. 2 into t square is there. That in product you write constant outside. 2 into Laplace transform of t square plus Laplace transform of 1. Then according to formula t power n, Laplace transform of t power n, then what is that? N factorial by s power n plus 1. Means in place of n we have 4i is available. Then 4 factorial by s power 4 plus 1. S power 4 plus 1 means s power 5. Then in the same way 2 into 2 factorial by s cube. Then this is Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. Now this can be written as 4 factorial is 24. 4 factorial is 24. 24 by s power 5 plus 4 by s cube plus 1 by s. This is the second problem. Like this. These are the basic problems. Very simple. Now next, third problem. Laplace transform of cos cube t. Just you calculate the Laplace transform of cos cube t. Now observe this one. I gave you the 4 trigonometrical formulas. Laplace transform of sin at, cos at, sin hat, cos hat. But I have not given cos square, sin square, cos cube, sin cube. But you convert this square cube terms in terms of simple manner. Means in terms of sin without power. Cos h, like that. Using this some different formula. That's why I gave you different type of trigonometrical some important formulas. Now cos cube t, we don't have the formula, direct formula. Then what I will do, we know that cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. From this formula you can calculate cos cube a in terms of cos. Now according to this formula, cos cube t equal to cos 3t plus 3 cos t divided by 4. Divided by 4. Now means what is that? Cos cube a equal to, how should I write here? Cos 3a plus 3 cos a by 4. Now applying Laplace transform on both sides. Then Laplace transform of cos cube t. When you are applying Laplace transform of cos cube t, then automatically the question is here. I got the question here. Then Laplace transform of cos 3t plus 3 cos t. Then 1 by 4 is outside. This is in multiplication, in product 1 by 4 is outside. Then Laplace transform of cos 3t plus 3 is constant. 3 I am writing outside. Laplace transform of cos t. Then 1 by 4 Laplace transform of cos at formula. According to that formula, s by s square plus 3 square plus 3 Laplace transform of cos t, again formula 3s by s square plus 1, means the final answer is 3s by s square plus 1. Now on simplification, 1 by 4 is common, I am multiplying with here, s by 4 into 1 by s square plus 9 plus 3s by s square plus 1. This is the simple answer. Like this we can, if you have cos cube, sin cube t, I gave the formula sin cube formula, then using that formula in the same way we can calculate it. Now let me explain one hyperbolic function. Laplace transform of sin h cube 2t. Now observe this one. Sin hat I gave you, but here they have given sin h cube 2t. Means what I am doing, you know very well, sin h 2t formula, what is that? E power 2t minus e power minus 2t by 2. Then I will convert this sin h cube 2t in terms of exponential function. Why should I convert? Because we know Laplace transform of exponential function, we have the formula, right? Now observe this one, Laplace transform of e power 2t minus e power minus 2t by 2. Again this is sin h 2t, then whole cube is there, I am writing here whole cube. Then 1 by 2 whole cube. I am explaining here. What is that? I am expanding. 1 by 2 whole cube means 1 by 8. I am writing outside. Then Laplace transform of, this is a minus b whole cube formula. A minus b whole cube formula is very simple. What is that? A minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This formula. Using this formula, I am writing here. Then Laplace transform of e power 2t whole cube, that is e power 60 minus 3a square b minus 3a square b, then minus 3 into e power 2t. B is, what is a is e power 2t, next e power minus 2t is there here, minus 3a square, a square is e power 2t whole square, like that. Next plus 3 into e power minus 2t, next minus b cube is e power minus 60, like that we are getting. And by using this formula we are expanding like this. Then Laplace transform of e power 60 minus 3 into Laplace transform of e power 2t plus Laplace transform of e power minus 2t minus Laplace transform of e power minus 60. Then this can be written as 1 by 8 into 1 by s minus 6 according to that formula, minus 3 by s minus 2 plus 3 by s plus 2, again minus 1 by s plus 6. These are the important formulas. Now observe this one. Once again I am explaining here. A cube is e power 2t whole cube, means e power 60 we are getting. Now b cube is e power minus 60. Last time I am writing here e power minus 60. Now 3a square b. 3a square b means 3 into a square is e power 2t whole square, e power 4t. Next b is e power minus 2t. 4t minus 2t is e power 2t. That's why I am writing here e power 2t. Please, according to that formula we are writing here.